Folks, I'm out in the wild and I just stumbled upon something here. I'm in the dog park. Look, it's poo. Yes, it's dog poo. You can see that they live with kids and they eat crayons and plastic toys. Wild. Another signal promising to be in the dog tag range. Let's see what we find. We got ourselves a dog tag. 2010. Well, it could be a dog tag, could be a quarter. We'll do a live dig here, pinpointing it out. Oh, I just see the top of it there. Oh, I love these. See if we can get a date off this. I really don't want to lick it. (2016). Well, let's try a live dig here. Could be a dog tag. Could be a quarter, I'm thinking. So, I'm out in the middle of the field area, so my plugs aren't the most beautiful. Well, got it out. She's in there. Oh, yep. Just a quarter. Oh, let's try a live dig. More dog collar hunting here. It's a little low for the signal, but you never know what you're gonna find. So let's. There he is, one of those beautiful caps that drive me bat crazy.